Again, and welcome to part 2. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I found my missing crib sheet. So please buy my book called Because I Can on the Amazon link, and you will find my OXO omelet turning spatulas there, which are amazing paint spreading tools, and my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, which obviously need to be cleaned up, and my gold mica powder, and I will give you the recipe if you ever ask me for that. And if you want to contribute through PayPal or Patreon, the links are under the YouTube header, on the YouTube channel header, and also under the video. My paint pouring recipe is in the body of the description. I have Pinterest and Instagram, and volumes 1, 2, and 3 for Facebook albums of wet and dry artwork from YouTube videos at the bottom. If you click show more under the video, now I don't have to do this at the end. Shop my Teespring to buy stuff. And if you go to my Facebook pages and you find a shop now button, you'll find everything I ever posted on Fine Art America and Pixels.com is available as a shower curtain. Okay, I'm weird and I'm done. I have more cool stuff to do, and I want to do it. So here I am, doing that now. We are still experimenting with what can be done with different combinations of colors. And as I use my small acetate cards, I can pick up the residual and put it down elsewhere. I can also add more to my residual. Dip into my card and start again, like so. That was cool. That worked well. I'm still having to make up my mind as I go along what I might want. There are no rules for me that say that I have to pull one way or the other. And as I see color combinations that I like, I'm going to dip my card in, put it down, press it in so that it has a chance to maybe make a nice mark. When the paint is agitated, it will often make cells, so that works out. I'm not sure I wanted that. I think I got it anyway, whether I want it or not. I have some pretty turquoise color shift here, and I would like a really skinny little piece of card, or maybe, I was going to say, or maybe I should cut one. Maybe I could use my basting brush. Maybe I just won't do anything right there. Let's go from the other side. Let's see what happens. I have some beautiful purple somewhere, I'm sure of it. I always do. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to squeeze out, but I do. Alright, that one will squeeze out. Move the other one away. And I have that great Prussian blue right there. Now I have it over here. I haven't gone in quite as many different directions this time. You can just stick the side of your card into the paint and drag it. I have no idea why I never remember to move my paint out of my way. I always seem to be in a hurry. I didn't set my timer, so we better be done quickly. Maybe I'll give us 10 minutes so I don't screw this up. Alright, I know there's got to be 10 minutes left, and I kind of promised myself that I would just use some paint from the squeeze bottles and not worry about it, and that's kind of what I want to do right now. I'm almost done. She always says that. I want to see what happens when I push and pull the side of my card to spread some paint. Drag it along. Change a few things up. Oh, that's cool. It left another color in there. Very cool. Oh, do I want that whole thing in there? I don't know. But I do have a pink dot. It probably won't remain a pink dot. This green here, which could definitely come around the corner. I like that green, and I have plenty of it to steal some. So that's neat. Where else do I want some? I have this yellow over here that I haven't done anything with. Do I have a flat edge? I kind of do. That's good. I like that I can just steal a small amount of paint. I'm not sure I like that. But I wonder if I can just... No, that didn't work. I was trying to one-handedly apply some gold paint to a card so I could try and pick it up with my other card. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's not bothering me. I think I want that gold though, right off that card. Let it run down. Yeah. I don't know. It's not straight. I don't know if that will bother me or not. Come out. Really? You're going to be that way now? Alright. I think I'm getting to the point where I'm afraid that it might be, you know, overkill. And I'm not unhappy with what I have, so it might be time to stop. I know, you've all heard me say that before. But there's always something that improves everything and changes my mind, you know? It's a slightly intimidating size canvas. 12 by 24 inches is not insignificant. Nobody really wants to screw that up, especially not me. Especially since it's black primed ahead of time, and I like that. That's always a nice thing. I might have to look at this from a different angle. I kind of think, oh, I like this over here, but I kind of think I want something else, like really obnoxious. Come out! Really? I think that might be the one I picked and didn't clean out. And I really love that purple, and I really think it's not going to hurt a thing to put some... Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. I have other things I want to do with that purple. I have everything I want to do with that purple. Who am I kidding? I want to put it on everything. I don't have any of it in my house, strangely enough. Alright, so what else do I need? Not much. And I kind of need you to be able to see everything, but I don't know if you can or not. I've got some great purple that would look good on that edge. And then I can pick it up, move it over if I want. Press my card down. I don't mind the strange little anomalous dip marks. It seems like the best possible use to me for dips that I've come across. I just want to put that right in the middle there. Yes, exactly. I haven't really done a whole lot of applying stuff right to the card, but I'm going to do it right now, hopefully not over the painting, because I don't want to... Alright, here goes nothing. That was nothing. Okay, let's try that again. With the paint I want in there. It'll probably be better this time. I can expect that. That would be good. If you don't have a straight edge, you're not going to get a straight edge. And I think that might be my problem right here, right now. I'm just going to wipe that yellow off that other side. I'm going to cheat. Not really. You know, it occurs to me I haven't dotted any of these, and that might be kind of cool. Also, I love what happens when I put my skewer in paint. That's what I needed. Something irreverent and fun. Yes, that's it exactly. Let's do that down here too. Assuming we have any purple to steal. I think that's about it. Although this over here, this gold area is a little bit messier than it needs to be, in my opinion. But I'm beginning to really enjoy. I'm looking at everything and I'm liking what I'm seeing a lot. I would like to keep my lines somewhat straight. You want a lot. I do. I want a lot. Alright, I think that's it. I haven't torched, and I am going to torch to release any bubbles in the paint. I really don't want to mess with that green spot. I like it quite like it is. And then she did anyway. Yeah, I'm not unhappy with any of that. I've got a few puddles here and there, but I don't think they're ever going to bother me. I could stick chain in there. I could stick more skewers in there. What else? There's all kinds of other stuff. Basting brush, that's what I was looking for. You see that right there, and that's, I don't want it right there. Not exactly like that. I'm sure that you guys are almost gone, but at least I told you everything I was supposed to tell you first, and that's good, because now I don't have to. Other than the fact that I love you guys, thanks for over 50,000 of you subscribed. Please watch as much of the video as you can. It helps my placement on YouTube if you give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate the thumbs up a lot. They do judge me by how much of the video minutes you guys actually watch. So, like I said, if you get a chance to watch more, you're helping me out by doing so. And I'm not unhappy with any of this. And thank you all for joining me. Thank you for all the contributions in the past. And don't forget, there's always a contest running. If you want to be a part of it, make a contribution through PayPal or Patreon on my YouTube. Yes, I know, I keep seeing more stuff. But I think it's okay. I think I like it the way it is. And it's exactly what I was hoping for. And it looks pretty nice to me. Alright, you guys take care. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, phew, we didn't run out of time, and that's a really good thing. I'll see you guys soon, hopefully in the next video. Bye for now. I love you. Oh, the end screens. Keep an eye out for the 450 plus videos on that list. If you like what I do, watch some more. Alright, you guys, see you soon.